Probability can seem complicated, but if we break it down, it can be simple. Step 1. Understand the question. The first thing you need to do is carefully read the question to understand what it's asking. Identify the key information and what you need to find to answer the question. Probability is given a value between 0, which means it's impossible, and 1, meaning it is certain to happen. It can be displayed on a number line, as a fraction, decimal, or as a percentage. Step 2. Define the sample space. This is the set of all possible outcomes. For instance, you're rolling a fair 6-sided die. Your sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 3. Identify the favorable outcomes. Determine how many outcomes satisfy the condition or event you're interested in. These are your favorable outcomes. If you want to find the probability of rolling a 4, you have one favorable outcome, 4. If you want to find the probability of rolling higher than a 4, you have two favorable outcomes, 5 and 6. Step 4. Calculate probability. You calculate the probability using the formula. Probability, P, equals number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes in the sample space. Step 5. Simplify if necessary. If possible, simplify the fraction to its lowest terms. In some cases, you may want to convert the probability to a percentage. Step 6. When multiple events occur, always double-check that you haven't missed any important information or conditions in the question. These can affect the final probability. You might be asked for the probability of more than one event occurring simultaneously. We need to multiply the probability of each individual event to find the final outcome. In this example, we are finding the probability of picking a red ball at random from this group and choosing a club from a standard deck of playing cards. Step 7. Solve for complementary events. These are the not events. If the question asks for the opposite event, use the complement rule. Probability of E dash is equal to 1 minus the probability of E, where E dash represents the complementary event.